Very good morning to all of you. Today we are going to discuss speed, means uniform speed, non-uniform speed, velocity, change when velocity changes, uniform velocity, non-uniform velocity, and average velocity. Now previous class, all of you discussed about speed. What is speed? Then distance covered by a body per unit time is called speed. Unit of speed is equal to unit of distance upon unit of time, means meter per second. Now when a body is said to be, it is in uniform speed or it is in non-uniform speed. Because when a body covers equal distance in equal time interval, then that body is in uniform speed. Means if a body cover in first hour 20 km, in second hour also 20 km, in third hour again 20 km, then that body is in uniform speed. Means definition of uniform speed, you see, when a moving body travels equal distance in equal interval of time irrespective of direction, then the body is in uniform motion. You take example, suppose this car is there, a reference point of car is A. Now when it start, right now, then position, now this is the path of that car, A to B, B to C, C to D, D to E, and in last E to F. Now you see, A to B 10 meter, B to C 10 meter, C to D 10 meter, D to E 10 meter, E to F 10 meter, or kilometer will be there. Right now? Now in first second, in first hour or in first second, car covers 10 meter in 1 second. Again B to C, in second or in second hour, car covers 10 kilometer or 10 meter. Now C to D, and in last E to F, means first, second, third, fourth, and fifth hour. Fifth hours are in fifth second. In 1 second or in 1 hour, body cover 10 kilometer or 10 meter. Then this car is in uniform motion. Very easy is there. Equal time interval, equal distance you cover, then you are in uniform motion. Now all of you come non-uniform motion. Non-uniform motion, what we do? When a moving body travels equal distance, what we do? We cancel it, and here we write unequal distance in equal time interval. Right now, or in equal interval of time, then that body is in non-uniform motion. Means when you cover unequal distance in equal interval of time, then you are in non-uniform motion. And I hope that examples all of you know, when you drop a ball from a height, right now that motion of ball, velocity of ball is non-uniform. Why? When it come close to the earth's surface, due to the gravity, their speed will increase. Means that ball is in non-uniform motion. When you riding cycle, right now, what constant speed is there? No. High, very fast, very slow, fast, slow. Then when you ride cycle, you are in non-uniform motion. Another examples, on highway, a road is there, where town is there, where traffic is there, speed slow. Where smooth traffic is there, speed fast. Then every time interval, means in every time interval your speed is same. You cover equal distance? No. That's why you are in non-uniform motion. Example, you see, simple example. Suppose that you start, your reference point is A, means you start your journey, you start your bike, you start your riding cycle from point A, then A to B, B to C, C to D, D to E. Means in 1 hour, you cover 1 kilometer. In second hour, you cover 3 kilometer. C to D, in next hour, you cover 4 kilometer, and again in 2 kilometer. Means you that time interval, time gap is 1 hour. A to B time taken by you 1 hour, B to C 1 hour, C to D 1 hour, E and D to E 1 hour. But distance, first 1 kilometer, second 3 kilometer, fourth 4 kilometer, and in last 2 kilometer. Means unequal distance is there. Then you are in non-uniform motion. Now after that, velocity will be there. What is velocity? Definition of velocity is same as the definition of speed, but all of you know speed is scalar quantity and velocity is vector quantity. Then what we do, in place of distance we write displacement. Means the displacement of a body per unit time is called velocity. Right now? Or the distance traveled by body per unit time in certain direction, in a particular direction. You mention their direction. Then it is also called velocity. Displacement, if you write displacement, then displacement have both magnitude and direction. And if you mention their distance, then what you do? You mention particular direction. Means speed, distance, magnitude is there, and you mention direction. You show direction, and when you show direction, that distance will be displacement. In this way, formula of velocity, displacement upon time. Suppose displacement, and this is time. Suppose displacement of body is x and time taken by u is t, then formula of velocity will be x upon t, and if you want to write, then d upon t. Unit of velocity, unit of displacement. Beta, unit of displacement and unit of distance both are same. Unit of displacement meter, unit of time is second, then unit of velocity meter per second or meter second power minus 1. Understood? I hope that all of you understood it. Now velocity change or not change? But velocity will be changed. In which way you change? You change your speed. Right now, you change your direction. Then what will happen? Velocity will change. If question is there, if question is there, when is velocity said to have change? When you change your speed or when you change your direction, then velocity will be changed. Now, uniform velocity and non-uniform velocity. Uniform velocity, non-uniform velocity, both definition same as the definition of uniform speed and non-uniform. Uniform speed and non-uniform speed. Only what we do, in equal time interval, change of displacement is equal, a displacement of body is equal, then that body is uniform velocity right now. Or in equal time interval, distance covered by body is equal, but in a particular, that motion will be, that body will, the motion of that body will be in particular direction, and when in particular direction will be there, then uniform. Means suppose that a body is moving in a straight path. If a body is moving in a straight path and equal time interval, distance covered by body is equal, then that body is in uniform velocity. Or in equal time interval, change of displacement is equal, a displacement of body is equal, then that body is in uniform velocity. Non-uniform velocity, in equal time interval, displacement of body is equal, but that will be there, that difference will be no difference. In equal time interval, change of displacement will equal or not equal? Not equal. Then that body is in non-uniform velocity. Or the body means equal time interval, change of distance, the body cover equal distance in equal time interval, but in different direction. Direction is not there, same as the, you see, direction of that car is same? No. In equal time interval, distance covered by body is equal, but direction is not there, or that body is not in a straight path. Then that is non-uniform velocity. I hope that all of you understood it. After that, average velocity. Average velocity. What is average velocity? Average velocity means initial velocity plus final velocity. Means average of initial velocity and final velocity. Means suppose that initial velocity is v1 and final velocity is v2, then average velocity will be v1 plus v2 upon 2. Right now, means average velocity is the average of final velocity and initial velocity. Right now, question is there, difference between speed and velocity. But the difference between speed and velocity, one common point is there. What? Speed is scalar quantity, velocity is vector quantity. First difference, speed is scalar quantity and velocity is vector quantity. Scalar quantity means speed has only magnitude, but velocity has magnitude and direction both. Right now, I hope that all of you understood it. Speed is scalar quantity and velocity is vector quantity. Next things, distance traveled by, here in speed, distance traveled by body. There in velocity, displacement of body. Third, average speed. In speed, average speed, total distance upon total time. Total distance upon total time. Means total distance means, suppose that average speed, you see average speed right now, total distance means d1 plus d2 plus d3 up to so on upon t1 plus t2 plus t3 will be there up to so on. But average velocity, average of final and initial velocity is there. Or d1 plus d2. But d1 plus d2 in which variety in velocity? It's possible. Shortest distance. But when we discuss about displacement there, I told you that displacement will be positive, negative or 0. And initial displacement, distance between final point and initial point, means final position and initial position. Suppose final and initial both are same, then by that formula average velocity will be 0. Suppose same is not there, then this formula we use it, v1 plus v2 upon 2. Right now, okay, what is common point between speed and velocity? First, unit, meter per second, unit of speed is there, meter per second, unit of velocity is there. And one important, very important question is there, when speed and velocity both are same, or when average speed and average velocity both are same, when the motion of body is in straight path, means motion of body in straight path, that time distance and displacement both will be equal. And when both will be equal, then average speed and average velocity may be equal. Understood? Okay. Now, in homework, I will give some examples, numerical examples related to average speed, average velocity, uniform motion, non-uniform motion. Beta, all of you try to solve it. examples will be there, that's why there is no any problem. And after solving examples, if you have book then good, otherwise that question you type in Google, you will get the answer and solution of that questions right now. Okay, thank you.